So when it comes to listing, what do InventoryLab can help with?
Yeah, so InventoryLab can do a lot when it comes to listing, like automations. We have something, where you can actually account while you list, right? So you can keep a record of like cost of goods, your supplier, and our biggest feature, I think, is the custom MSKUs. So you can actually add, like the condition automatically, the supplier, all these other like accounting points that you might want to track, and you can actually add that to your SKU. So that way you get capture all that information right when you create that listing in Inventory Lab. Now
Nice.
another really cool feature though is the auto pricing. Auto pricing your listing, right? You're just like, I don't care. I want to list it at this price point every time. You can do that. You can do that if you want to match the buy box every time. You can do, if you want to get a certain amount of ROI projected or a certain profit as well for your list price automatically through your settings. Now, another thing you can do for auto pricing is set up your minimum and maximum prices based on like a certain set of parameters that you set up in your settings. And this is really nice because it plays into like, especially if you're using a repricer, which if you didn't know, SmartRepricer comes with your Seller 365 plan. So for $69 a month, you can get all of these tools in one account. So you don't have like I think it's 10 products, so you don't have like 10 different logins. It's all just in one place. Um,
Yep.
and I really like the auto pricing features because that really helps you think, like you don't have to think twice then about how you're going to set up your minimum and maximum pricing strategies when it comes to using a repricer.